Hey guys, so today we were doing quite a good, there's no promo packs out, so we will be doing the gold pack opening. I only have 250 FIFA points, so it'll be quite a little one. And yeah, I won't be talking, I'll be just opening the packs. But if I get someone good, I'll be showing. Oh, boom! Oh, MacArthur. You should pay for the team that I support. By the way, I support Wigan Athletic. I don't really like. Go. No, I don't want to do that. I got 99 refractors. Put that on. That's my friend. And yeah. Right, I'll open a few more packs. One of 99. What the hell? Whoa. Can you see that one? It is buffering. I don't know why. I might lose that. Sorry about the wait, guys. Right, let's go start the video again. You can still look on the packs, but right, click on that. Hey guys, so blah 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 blah. Today we'll be opening packs and stuff like that. And if I shout, I'll probably be someone good. So yeah, man. And after I will be doing some trick shotting. On Black Ops